I took a dive. I didn't know I'd fall so deep into your eyes. I've never been somewhere so sweet. I'm hypnotized. Yeah, you put my mind at ease. Like a divine. I'm thankful that you're mine. You make me like people looking at their phones. I've spent 7 years looking for love that I can hold. Now I know your love is all I need.
Ito naman. Tikman natin ang ano to?
Tarantulan.
Tarantulan. Kamay ko nito.
Guys, natikman na niya ulit din lang yan. Hindi ko ano to, guys. Guys, ulitin lang natikman na niya talaga. Okay yan, guys. Guys. Guys, scripted yan, guys.
Arvin, ganun pa rin ako.
Guys, scripted yan.
Tikman natin ang laing.
Guys, natikman na niya yan. Guys. Isinigang pa.
Arvin.
Natikman na yan. Okay yan, guys. Ano yan? Galing pa to galing pa to sila ng mananangay. Guys, natikman niya yan. Natikman na niya yan,
Hindi
guys.
pa, bago pa to. Ma'am She, pwede ba magbayad through Palawan Pay? Palawan Pay. Pwede magbayad Palawan Pay. Opo. Okay.
Open yun. Luan lang.
Yes, Palawan Pay. Pwede kahit saan. Okay, paying through Palawan Pay.
Activation kayo ba dyan yun? Yan, nabasa bitaw. Pabalik mo lang.
Mapang retry.
Walang gam. Manipid na rin.
Payment successful through Palawan Pay.